what's up? Today I have a very exciting video. I woke up this morning and was watching a lot of Come Thrift With Me. Specifically, I want to shout out Blazed and Glazed. I'm sure if you guys watch these videos on the regular, you know who that is because her channel is like completely thrifting related and she has just like the most amazing energy, and I just watched one of her Come Thrift With Me's, or like 5 of them. I don't know why I said one. I already wanted to go thrifting today, but I wasn't necessarily gonna film it. But after watching her videos, I was like, bitch, get the camera out. You know what you're doing. I'm gonna be going to Value Village literally as soon as I'm done this intro and bringing you guys along, and then depending on how much stuff I find, I'm gonna maybe go to another Value Village or another thrift store, and then I'm gonna do a haul and show you guys everything I got. I'm also gonna give you guys my tips kind of along the way while I'm thrifting, just like things that I usually do every time I go to the thrift store, or certain sections I look in and stuff. So I'm really excited. This video is gonna be really fun. I have been thrifting so much lately that I wanted to oh my god, sorry. Yesterday I went into a couple real stores and I was like, wait, what the fuck? Like shit's like more than $3. Like what? I just feel like I can't really go back. Like now all I want to do is thrift or buy off Grailed or Depop. Everything about it is just like so much fun. It's also something you can do on your own. Don't think you need to go with your friend or with 5 of your friends to thrift. It's way better to go on your own because then you don't have to have like a low-key competition of like who's gonna get better shit and who's gonna find it first. The only reason that like I understand if you want to go with someone is if you want that like extra opinion of like, should I get this? But right now, because of social isolation and shit like that, there's not even any change room, so you can't really try things on. So go on your own, girl. You need to do this. So worth it. It's literally the best feeling ever when you find good shit at a thrift store. I love it. I love thrifting so much. Also, another big like disclaimer, because a lot of people are like, how do you always find good stuff? Like, what are the tips and tricks? Like, what section am I not looking at? You just have to go often. When there's good stuff, it's not dependent on anything other than you're at the right place at the right time. You could be there 5 minutes later and that thing could be gone. It's literally just about when you're there. I suggest going in the morning as soon as it opens. Right now it's like 10 o'clock, 10:16. I think it opened at 10, so I'm gonna be going right as soon as it opens because that way nothing's picked over. You have a way better chance of actually finding shit because, you know, when girls have gone and they know what they're looking for. Look in every single section. You're already there. You might as well look at the men's, the kids, the girls, the home, the lingerie section, key. Literally, I got this dress, this black mini strapless dress in the lingerie section. I think it was like Spanx. So, I mean, you never know what you're gonna find. My go-to first section is always purses. I have enough purses. I don't know why I'm still committed to going there first thing, but little shoulder bags are my favorite thing to buy at the thrift store. And then I usually go to jewelry because those are the 2 sections that everything's very out in the open. It's very obvious. If there's good stuff, it's gonna go fast. So I always do purses and I always do jewelry. Jewelry is usually like pretty hit or miss. Like, sometimes there's nothing, but the odd time there's some good shit, so you need to check that shit too. Kind of depends what I'm specifically looking for. Sometimes I go with no intention of finding anything like specific, but today I really need to get tank tops. That's my #1 thing, and then also skirts. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. So purses, jewelry, tops, and then it's kind of a fucking free-for-all. I'm gonna be bringing my little shoulder bag with me. I got my phone here. I have my mask, sanitizer. What else do I usually bring? Nothing. I keep it light because I'm about to leave with so many fucking clothes. I can't have a big bag to accompany that, you know? Okay guys, let's go. Headphones of any kind are literally essential. Listening to music that you actually like and would listen to outside of a thrift store makes it a lot easier to actually envision outfits outside of the thrift store. Okay, my AirPods are fucked and like they were charging the entire night and then only one is alive. I'm like, okay, sick. I guess I'll just listen to music with fucking one headphone. Thank you. Going right to the bags, okay? This would be so cute, but the hood is gray, which I'm not really about. This section, you literally have to look at every single thing. Also, I'm keeping my eyes peeled for shoes. So far, I've pretty much just found tank tops. This is cool. If I wanted to be Belle for Halloween. Just kidding. This could have potential, maybe. And then just some other random tanks. If this was not a V-neck, I think it would be a bit cuter, but it has potential, even though there's cat hair all over it. found each of these pieces in different parts of the thrift store. Keep your eye out if you see something that might have a matching piece. I always kind of just start an area. I'm gonna hang these up, and then I kind of just put the ones I don't want on the other side, and the ones I do want I'll just leave hanging up. So there is some questionable shit. Okay, so I'm not gonna put the pants on, but this is kind of what it looks like. I don't know if I like the fit of this jacket. I think it could be cute. Okay, I don't really think it's the vibe. The pants fit kind of weird. It's over my dress, but it's not that cute. I don't know. Like, it's cute, but the fit's just not there. And I honestly don't need it if I'm not gonna wear it. You have to be super critical if you thrift a lot, because otherwise you end up with way too many fucking clothes. So since these are all no's, I'm gonna put them on the other side to get them out of the way and start on the next items. So I think this is gonna be cute. I don't know if I'm crazy about this. Okay, this is definitely really cute, but it's just not really my style. I would have worn this like maybe 2 years ago, but this is like a very nice quality Tommy Hilfiger polo. Here's another thing that I definitely would think was so fucking cute like a year ago. I mean, it kind of still is. Okay, I'm thinking this top with Juicy Couture black velour sweatpants would be so cute. I really like the two straps, and I like how soft it is. I like the material. I don't know if I like this. Obviously, this is not ever gonna happen, but with like a cool pair of like cargo-y pants. I think this fit is very flattering. This is a brown little tee. Okay, this is kind of crazy. I've never really bought anything like this from the thrift store. The color is like not a deep enough red. It's kind of orange. I don't know. I don't like it. But this shirt is way too small for me, which is so unfortunate, but it's just like super tight in the armpit and I know I won't wear it, so I'm not gonna get it. I'm about to take the subway to another Value Village because I usually get more than one thing for my fucking haul. And even the one thing I got, I'm kind of like, ugh, it's only gonna be cute with black Juicy Couture pants, and I don't even have black Juicy Couture pants. So anyways, we're gonna go to Value Village number 2, and hopefully we have better luck, because that was fucked. Sorry, that's my stuff. Oh, yeah, I just hung it up. Okay, that was 100% more successful. That's what I'm fucking talking about. So I'm gonna give you guys a haul once I get home.